The Kremmling Memorial Hospital District's Middle Park Medical Center in Granby is slated to open in the first quarter of 2012. Our TV18 crew had a chance to tour the facility and discuss the vision behind this project and plans for growth within our community. Here is a quick look at the future of healthcare in Grand County.
The Middle Park Medical Center project actually started really coming into fruition about 5 years ago with the Grand County Rural Health Network. They brought a bunch of players together in Grand County and said, we'd like to build a new facility here. It started out really just as a really fancy clinic, and as we've moved it along and as we've listened to the people around here, we know that they do want a full-fledged hospital where they can receive a majority of the same services that they would if they went down to Denver. So this project here has kind of been a work in progress. It hasn't just always been the same thing from the get-go.
We're building Middle Park Medical Center in Granby, not just for the needs of today, but the needs of tomorrow. We will be able to expand once the population grows and the demand grows. We're here to provide services for our community and increase quality of care.
One of the things that we've done with this building is to allow it to expand in all directions, and that's going to allow us to bring in more services as time goes by. So as we get the foot traffic through the door and we see the demand for healthcare services, we'll be bringing in additional specialty services, things like oncology and urology, so people don't have to go down to Denver to receive that level of care. You know, one of the things when new people are moving in, new businesses, one of the things they ask about is access to healthcare. And a lot of times a facility or somebody who's retiring, who's looking to come in and buy a second home, they may be hesitant when they know that the nearest healthcare provider might be 70 or 80 miles away. So by having something like this to help anchor the community, not only is it going to help bring people in the way of new jobs here at the facility, but it's also going to be able to add property value as more people are looking at Grand County as a destination of final residency and not just a vacation spot.
The idea behind Middle Park Medical Center in Granby and the vision is to increase access to health care in Grand County. The focus is the core of life, which is health. And so we really are passionate about our tagline and believe it describes our mission and our vision for Middle Park Medical Center, and that is keeping life grand.
We know that when people have fewer barriers to healthcare, they're going to be healthier. They're going to utilize those services, and they're going to be able to remain healthier and active longer. And that kind of goes along with our goal and our vision of really keeping life grand. We want to be able to provide the services to the people that they can not only stay here, but they can enjoy life here. And part of that is providing those services that they come to expect in larger communities. So our goal of keeping life grand is really at the pinnacle of everything we do.